the rain is a killer. But I want to see how the 35mm 1.4 handles itself on the newer tech with the T30 in less than ideal circumstances. Yeah, there's worse, and of course there's much prettier, but this is what it is. Let's have a quick play. Right, another random AF test then. I've got a few minutes to kill, so I thought I'd test the AF in less than interesting circumstances on the T30 with the 35 1.4, not a renowned lens for smooth focusing, and as we're using the onboard mic, you're not going to hear a great sound either, and probably a lot of yeah, you know, but if you've got it, is it usable? Well, that's what we want to find out. But more importantly, we want to see the AF speed when shooting stills. So we're going to do that in a few moments too. More interestingly than this video clip, I'd say. Would you use this lens with your T30 for video? You definitely want to use it for stills, I reckon, but I think at a push for something slow video, not an issue at all. But perhaps the f2 would be a lot smoother, and yeah, that could be a winning factor for you. For stills, I'm happy enough, but there you go. We did need a mic as well. I appreciate that was very random and very dull, but it had to be done. Questions were asked about the performance of the older lenses with the newer tech, and frankly, I don't think you need to worry about it, especially if you're a stills shooter. But yeah, there's possibly better options out there if you've got the budget and the will to carry on. Anyway, I'm going to carry on with my tests.